Hello everyone, my name is Shivam and you're watching Nokia Power User. Today we have another brand new box of a brand new smartphone from the house of HMD Global that makes phones under Nokia branding. The smartphone we are talking about is the Nokia 2.2 that was introduced yesterday only at an event in Delhi and Italy. The device we are going to unbox is Nokia 2.2 based on Android One program from Google. It comes with a 5.71-inch display which is having a HD plus resolution. So let's take a look at the box. This is what the box looks on the front. You have the Nokia phone and branding on the front. At the bottom you have Nokia 2.2 and at the right you have Android One branding. On the right side the profile is totally clean. The left profile says Nokia 2.2 and it also says pure, secure, up to date Nokia always promise. That's all. And the top is also clean. At the bottom we have some information like IMEI number and all. We have some pricing details here. The pricing mentioned is 8599, although the phone is launched for 2GB model at 6999 and 3GB model at 7999 in India. So, and what else we get? On the back side we have some quick specifications and the features of the device. So I'll just focus and show you. It says Nokia 2.2 and the picture is also clearly mentioned here. The device comes with a 5.7-inch or 14.5 centimeter HD plus display having an aspect ratio of 19:9. It comes with a dedicated Google Assistant button. There is support for face unlock, a 13 megapixel rear camera and a 5 megapixel front camera. The back is replaceable express on cover that used to come with Nokia Lumia series devices previously. It comes with a big 3000 mAh battery that is good enough for a 5.7-inch smartphone and Google Assistant. So without wasting much time, let's just open the box and unbox it. So without wasting time, let's just open the box and see what we get inside the box of Nokia 2.2. I'll just open the seal from here and from here I'll unbox it. It's the box. So this is what you can see, how it is wrapped in a plastic. I'll just keep it aside for a moment. What else do we get? It has something, I think it's battery. Oh, nice to see a replaceable battery nowadays. So I'll just open and show you what is the model number and specifications of the battery. The model number used is HQ510 and the capacity mentioned is 3000 mAh typical and the minimum capacity is 2920 mAh. So let's just keep it at the side for a moment. What else do we get inside the box is a quick start guide for the Nokia 2.2, which is in English I think and some other languages also. So I'll just keep it aside. And product and safety info for Nokia. So these are all the paperwork and we have another box inside the box. What we get in the box, let's just open it. We have a micro USB to USB cable. I'll just show you. It's a micro USB cable. You can see from here, yeah, USB to micro USB. And there's a power brick, Nokia branded, and the power output mentioned here is very tiny. I don't know, 5 volt 1 ampere. It's a slow charger made in China. It's not a fast charger, and don't expect to get a fast charger in this price segment. So let's just keep the box aside and see what how the device looks in this steel color. I'll just unwrap it. This feels very light because there is no battery inside it right now. So what I'll do is put a battery inside it and switch it on. Before that, let's take a look at the device. From the front you can see there's a slight teardrop notch which will be visible only after I switch it on. There's a Nokia branding on the bottom. Right side we have volume rocker and power buttons. These are the volume rocker and the power buttons. The bottom is quite clean, just a USB port and microphone. On the left side we have the dedicated Google Assistant key that Nokia were talking about. On the top we have headphone jack, 3.5 headphone jack. The back side is also quite clean with the camera layout and lens, flash on the back, a Nokia branding, Android One branding, and speaker grill. So I'll just remove this cover, as Nokia says express on cover. Quite tight it is. I'll just have to remove it, and I'll put a battery inside it. I think it will go like this. This is a slot for a SIM and a micro SD, and this is a slot for second SIM. So let's just put the cover on and boot it up. Pressing the power button. Android One branding, quite famous this time. And the Nokia branding. After that, you can see the teardrop notch is clearly visible here. Also some thick bezels in the Nokia 2.2. You can see there's a wide chain at the bottom. So I'll just select India, skip for now, continue. Just a sec. Later time it's okay, and I accept the Google terms and conditions. I'll skip the pin for now. Skip anyway. As you can see, the device is ready to go. So let's go. Let's do face unlock. No, do it later. Skip. And this seems to be the home screen of Nokia 2.2. Yeah, this is the home screen with Android Pie. You can see I'll just reduce the brightness for a little bit so that you can see a bit more. I'll go to settings and show you some more details about the device. I'm in the settings where I'll go to system and advanced, then system update. It says updated to Android 9, about phone, and Nokia 2.2, phone number, IMEI details and all, Android version Pi. You can see the Pi Easter egg, back, and build number etc. are there. And what about the storage? It says 9.8 GB used out of 16 GB, and the free storage is 6.16 GB after first boot. So 62% is used, which is quite huge, I think. So let's just open the camera and take a picture. I'll just take a picture of this box. How does it fare? Let's open that image and show you in front of the camera. Seems to be quite okay and having plenty of details for the budget price segment. You can see I have zoomed in. What about some smaller texts? Like a picture of this.